How was your holidays, Kobe?
One of the best things I've ever done in my life, Joe. Mashabela, what's wrong with you?
There's no way. 7 days with your wife. It's not a piece of cake. You must ask Level M. You must ask Level M.
Level M came back from honeymoon like, "How's Tandy the way?" But you Zoe, why? I said, no, I would not a thing. Yeah, that thing. I'm not. I had fun, I rested, did nothing, slept, woke up and then slept again. I was just sleeping. And then I feel great. Yeah, it's the second half of the year and there's just too many things happening, Bob. So yeah, rest is important.
So, Komoso.
Yes.
We've got Mashabela in.
We do indeed.
Can you tell our listeners why we have Mashabela?
Yeah, Namangazi.
So last week, before he left for his holiday, he got nominated. This is Skhumba, of course. Skhumba got nominated the Savannah Comics Choice Awards 4 times.
Yes.
One of them being a Comedian of the Year, which
Yes.
is the big one.
Yeah.
One of them being Comedian of the Year. And I am so super stoked for him because he's been doing this for how long?
Yeah, very, very long time. Over 9
And
years.
this is his first nomination ever. So we don't know whether some of the people have been sleeping. But anyway,
Yeah, 4
we
times.
are absolutely.
4 times. That's an achievement.
It is an
First time ever.
absolute incredible achievement. And we are so proud to be associated
Absolutely.
with you. So we thought we should bring your better half. Because you are Zulu.
Better half.
I feel Zulu. The better half would be paid. I mean, what else can it be? So
Ready, go to the 45 minutes of the show. Good station of Savannah.
yeah, it's right. So Mashabela is also here, and he's also been nominated.
3 times.
Yeah, 3 times.
Three times. So what in 3 times? We beat you by 1. A
It's,
win is a win is a win.
And this is fantastic because this is in vernacular, in the language that the majority of the people in this country will be able to understand one way or another. Majority.
100%.
Mahware ba bontsha dust.
That's it.
Yeah. Kunyana tsa mahwa tsa o bor.
Knock.
Yeah, no. You'll get this on your way home.
No.
I paid now. I want it now. Get this on my way home. Bara ke dry humor.
Dry humor.
I'm not jokes out like that's just that. But yeah, we're there. We're happy, Bob. And yeah, she grand.
Congratulations to both of you.
Yes, and yeah,
We'll have a bigger bash depending on how many awards you bring back. But let me just say this, sometimes we don't give people credit. This was completely Komoto's idea. And she's a sister. She's right.
Yeah, and the nice thing is that Mashallah is part of the wheelchair drive that I'm doing as part of the lineup.
Fantastic.
No, la pitse ke ba gekolo ba tsama ka dipatla ko Limpopo.
Anything else?
How can I have traffic in Pitor?
Nah,
Once
Praetorians
again,
are very.
you guys must stop now.
Praetorians are okay. Centurion.
No, what is about Pitor? Yeah, but
Bon. No. Look at the difference. Look here, and look down there.
Maybe ba fisher tire.
Aba fisher da. Hey, yeah, she's.
Ba diesel.
Bona mamtitize tuthokothitiza lapha ana hairstyle so fanele afake something like una that look ukuthi isaluni ngakuphile ngathi isaluni ingakuphi la Pitori like la mama akenzi inwele Joe. You know when you have hairstyle people take you serious like people take you serious mon hairstyle
Thuli Madonsela.
Yeah. Ukuba mthuli lento behleli chrome so bengathi ukubona evuka ekseni ufuna ukhipha ingubo umntwana achamile ingubo bese yazineka bengathi weave kama akekho umuntu owazi indlebe ka left kama mthuli Madonsela asanze uthi unendlebe ora kana ndlebe kodwa wena sisibeka kana ndlebe 1985
Caroline Fassi.
Yeah.
But besides narrative abona
There's such a until I had the Paralympic.
But ang inwela ngene what serious what yeah indlebe khona yikho cabanga elebeka se TV mhlawumbe ngahola kayi 2 abantu aba disable and akhona imali abantu aba right usile
Yeah, ke platinum ya sasa.
aba mshayela abantu ka left sorry but ngicela ngapha khulumela phezulu. That's why she was always on the left hand side we didn't know why ababhobhe bazi ukuthi jipa uyazi ukuthi akayizwanga ngapha iso jipa uyizwe ngayo No, it's a cheaper. It's a cheaper. It's a cheaper. Papa Bear didn't write it's a cheaper.
Now, here's the thing about my first child ever that I'm having a child with a Zulu woman. So I have my first Zulu child. So it epitomizes actually what we're seeing here because it's two worlds apart.
No.
Mapedi about to be a coastline. They've never seen a coastline in their lives.
That's why we can't relate to that song. Yeah, let's take it out to the beach. Okasi dedicated go Trovela. You can't relate to that song.
I ain't gonna playlist.
Next.
And the night thing about
it was very cold. Mara Mapedi at go beachy. That's Senator Gate, just 7. Gas Teneka beachy. How funny.
I don't care how cold it is.
Yeah, but for it, never paid. But there's an ipo, no.
Kibora Kibaba Basari Mapedi go beaching Kauno Rock.
On the Rocco.
Oh no, when I'm to go no Rocco, no Retovela. Oh, Nalo Namo.
Those guys on the rock, Nepra, Nepechla.
And only empty 2 liters.
It's over. I leave Kolubaleki and Bonamans with the new means alarm. You bet you empty. Baba looked in July. Right. Baba looked in July. Baba in Dozabo. Baba right. No, don't deny magical can't. Lumkulu when Jeb. But we as a Teben, but they would fly him in.
Yes,
and then why? Why Lumkulu Atata attend? Why Simnaga?
Because he's Mkulu Bay.
Kipaklim Sadia Kameli. After Babona Maram. No bonam. For 5 minutes, Urbabonam.
And the opposite, the time in the couch. No one. Usismo paseka wamfonela live. Why?
Yes, Evan Randall.
Achameke alakati. Yeah, how are you? What's your name? Kima paseka. Kima paseka.
Tibo sotamunwela di kofi.
When you started the comedy Kasipedi, did you get the love immediately? Or did people were like, oh, okay, what's this?
Yeah, no, I didn't get the love.
Oh,
yeah, especially from the mainstream comedian.
Yes.
They're like, dog, this thing is not gonna fly here. It's Melville here, dog.
True.
Yeah, because the only cup was at Melville.
Yeah.
So it was very difficult.
There was a room called the Blues Room.
Yeah.
Where when we went to ask for a spot, they told us straight, no, dog, you don't qualify to perform on the stage. Club gig. They told us straight now, you comedy here, no, dog. You need to up your game and then come back.
You need dry humor.
Oh, cool.
You need gags, eh?
Gags.
Not your stories here. It's not gonna fly you. It's something.
And I understand Babu Yulukshin.
Yeah. I don't really like performing that side.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because if you crack a joke, they'll be on some, wow, did he say that?
Oh, okay. All right.
He said baccalaureate. It's baccalaureate.
Oh, my word, no. But it's going well right now.
Yeah, now.
But isn't it encouraging?
They're following us on Twitter now.
Yeah, they're the same people who wanted burglary.
Yeah. They want to connect with their roots.
But also Manyorchin. So Manyorchin as we connect us. Yes, Laban Lab. How's Kumbas the way Kulman corner like another thing as a look shin? You need that thing. They want to go Mabaykas for Chisanyam. It's an event for them. Wow, we going to Chisanyam, wow, can't believe. Seriously. Ipapa Malika Kanji.
Very informal settlement.
Mbali, ngizokwenza
okay,
ungaphindi ungishaye spirit umbali ungishaye spirit samathu
uzele mina ne
abesa ngehlombe ihlombe la kambali ngathi injection like Joe Mbali no
Yeah, no, KFM my button. I gain it.
uyakuphela ongaka la uyakuphela lalela abashabela uyakuphela ongaka la
Or internship. Wait till I some toberege.
uthothingwana 2 months ago Mbali
A month ago.
Stress I can one.
umlangazi kenzeni zama impepho ngazama istape wazama ugama itape manje lo yarmanzi
Armand ke batho ba manskrale. Mo first motho an ka Armand. Ko mavuso.
A lot of people are putting through requests because they understand that it doesn't happen. I don't know if you guys have been together on a radio station before for a long time.
It's only KFM.
Only on Kai last year, right?
Only
so, they understand that you can't just have Skhumba and Mashabela on one show and not have them tackle the issue, the painting ya Uyanda. Is it Ayanda? Ayanda, yes.
Le ka baba ayenza le
Oh lol.
elimi la ka baba lide kulesa sithombe ilimi lakhe yo so ilimi
3D.
and usho ukuthi lento ayikhotha iya baba usho ukuthi hey baby
I think that painting was inspired by Bongani Zungu.
lo Sundowns
Was Sundowns.
lento leyenzayo
Hey, mo afisha ke di data. O afisha ke bonus ya motsepe ya winner league.
lo ngumuntu asishuta lapha uthatha ishawa uthi hey udlala ngejondolo sotela
I missed that one.
Did you?
No, I missed that one.
no serious Bongani Zungu was la kupulane
Yeah.
no Bongani mabangahlangana Bongani bangamenzela istory
Combo.
Seriously?
amara ngaseluki Bongani kanthwele hayi
Keep on. Yeah, no. I see till to get you 4.
I'm fine. Eh? I'm fine. I'm all right.
but let's sithombe on a serious note like let's sithombe si wrong si wrong even if you don't lie u dead let's sithombe sikho right oqala ngeke uyenze lento ufaka isudu asicaleni lapha
Yeah, there's no way.
there's no way ukari ka sudu uyakhumula into enje uyakhumula ube
But you guys, where you come
Ile
from?
ka 4 play nyana.
Yeah.
Aparela
Yeah.
suit. Yeah.
ubhala just straight it was 80 kancane uyambona lo uba no ugupt uready
Halal.
yena beka ready for the action and I'm trying to explain the picture. It's not that
We're trying to be metaphoric here as an artist. To explain the details of the painting.
beka ready udedi beka ngekho.
Yeah, but you guys cannot be expert on this stuff. I mean,
No. Ki show the this ala heta already Ayanda ko excited.
oh, okay.
Ayanda u busy ka yena.
Uyamprosha.
Yeah.
Umprosha yonke setup. Lamntwana ayanda lamntwana ubolile shem. And irasta akayenzi lento asoba obvious. Awuthi ngimbhemele.
Yeah.
Awuthi ngimbhemele la azisheka ama2.
Yeah.
People penny. So uba yonke into kababa njalo nomntana wrong noma ngaba ngamthanda ubaba angamenzi so ubaba umuntu wethu.
Yeah, but you guys can't talk about sex, really. You Zulu, Umupedi. Really?
Ushuthini?
Really?
And it's a breakfast show.
And it's a breakfast show, I mean, it's highly inappropriate.
And a shapo a listenership ya kaya ke bo ma 40 ke batho ba disukiri.
Tata ma chance sithobela FM le la 1.8 million.
Ya di diabetes listener.
Thobela FM kuna advert yokuloya. How about lawyer? How about lawyer? And ngidlala ngabo 10 ebusuku la. How about lawyer? Lifielo kile. Sinefukise. Litlakant.
Ki uba ya Limpopo.
Ngazo sukela ama listeners bethu ya rushukela. Hayi bonke bukhona phela. Hayi. Why the breakfast host Thobela FM?
Yeah, no.
Uyabona?
So the Rivonia Road exit is walking
Khomotso
to
maqala kusukela abantu bethu. This traffic report just to la FM but traffic is proudly brought to you by DA. Scoop se. Inna scoop se. Proudly brought to you by
I wanna traffic go Limpopo baba.
Yeah, you.
Why?
Yeah, no, not for
Ayo.
Kono ya Dubai. Retleka momo. Mochibo sebaka. Ra ga di funeral. Enka no bona 015 ke re o khwile mara.
Is there anything that caught your attention this week that you want to talk about?
Yeah.
What, who shall we?
That's Bob. What my advisor?
I don't think so.
No advice CEO.
Okay.
Kimang CEO.
Yeah, it's a beast.
Kimang.
Again.
COO.
Ki Jomo Sono I say beast. Wa producer ki CEO ki CFO ki manager ki director ya Movango cause u parile o change ya Movango.
Director Movango.
Hayi mvango mina ngokubukela.
Why?
Namasuta shayinayo. Like ukabona ubukela TV. Ene mina baba bayikabi mina ngine 50-inch bafethu yabo. No, serious ngibona 50-inch. Like isuta shayinayo endlini ngapha kune lightning sizolimala lana. Serious
So Movango is just shining suits.
bayaqosha ngalesi episode into engiyazi ngalesa stage ukuthi bayaqoshana ngalo
Abadlali awuna warning.
No, Timotash gone, Chili M gone.
Wow.
Chileum.
Yeah, bari bambribe like about 45 rand. Angazi like bayasenza cousin like hey imali eyani dlala lengoma eyani lengoma wayidlala waxoshwa
45 rand.
sendlini manje ubomele le ngoma uthi nayi le ngoma engifake emachive oh lolo yeah emhlabeni but about wheelchair show is sold out. No tickets. There's no tickets. Like there's no tickets. I'm sorry. Like I had to do one show. Show is sold out, and confirmed artists that are coming on: comedians Mashabela, Celestine Tuli. I'm hosting Jay Boogie, Isaac Gampo, Goliath Family. It's gonna be plus minus 10 comedians will perform on the night.
And you've covered everybody there. You've done affirmative action.
Everyone.
There's a few, sprinkled a few colors here and there. Women.
There's
The
no
mainstream.
Yeah.
Oh my God, they'll be there. Hey?
So it's sold out.
It's sold
no
out,
more
yeah.
tickets, and you're raising funds for
the wheelchairs.
For wheelchairs,
Yeah,
yes.
we're gonna buy wheelchairs. We're gonna buy
and
wheelchairs.
Johnny Walker is
Yeah, no, I think it's a good initiative.
Why?
Cause madala ba ko Tembisa. Cause libana ba jola like are kenya ka lekgogo le la sticky says yellow. So this time I got all our wheelchairs come.
Yabazi la shinsa kada nyabangena. Nyabangena. Wandala ke wheelchair kada siyabangena manje. Uthi kuhambani?
I fucking rim.
Yeah, but yeah, we donating that, and it's Mandela month, and we're doing good for the people. You know, which ipete ka baba ke 18 never. And cause I'm actually never. Nasezulu na kakagiro baba sasela inini. Never. If Tata was alive, like interesting ngaba senzing. Ngaba kunama news, abakuna pulane kuno Tata. Pulane zapha ntombazana. Into osivezela yonke into.
Yeah, cause sala I call boom shaka to order.
But that really?
Yeah. Back in the days, sir. Kokani kancane.
Free from the streets and the Kokani. Golebo. Banibonela abantu.
Yeah.
Ebhizapha niveze izinto ezingavezi. Beka ugwede ngoku. Ugwede basa. Beka na place. Kusasa Tata beka na place. There was no place. So, another
No,
thing.
no, nele Mandla fell.
No.
Mandla Mteji.
I love baba wayimosha lento and ecale uya yazi ngama Porsche ayi2 ne yini ama Ferrari ayi2
Ferrari.
No.
nama leather fanayo brown.
Lina after Mandla nga bleach. Just to feel you one day.
Oh no.
Ubandla akekho manje bathi unyama une depression. Ube plus yak depress.
Manga's gonna turn up Muvango. Promise you.
Nje bona sevumbuka avithi ke.
Avaka Crescid.
And the sound cassette.
Aria. Aria, ke le tseba le tswele la o yema. Ale tlompo tsa lena.
What I found wrong this week, just in closing, gentlemen, was when our president, honorable president, Jacob Zuma, and he was pictured with a young woman.
Oh yeah.
And then there was a fake Facebook account, and some of the media bought the story, and it happened to be his daughter.
Yeah.
That was messed up. I found that very,
Okay,
very messed up.
hasn't been.
Because you never know. Lo ena o ka thola le ngwana.
Baningi abantwana bakavela. Serious never
Ya
hear.
o mongodi ya traffic.
Bro, like angiyazi ukuthi Khaya FM ne SAAC simnandi.
Yes, yes.
We are in good terms, si happy, si family. Mara bengifly SAA bafethu. Ngicela bayele kusibuze ukuthi chicken no beef bese ngithi chicken and chicken ipaloni. Abasho chicken pal no ngihlela ngarapha la mina eGauteng.
Yeah.
Gauteng.
Yeah,
Kune peyile finye.
kune Gauteng ngithi kune Gauteng.
Oh.
Mina ngihlala
okay.
ngapha. Ichicken ngale is real chicken.
Yeah.
To us, he roll nepaloni chicken bafethu.
Paloni chicken.
Yeah, chicken kaduzi wing slice sepaloni. Slice sepaloni ne cheese. I chicken le ngathi mara
Mara ba ka da ba re ka da ke Gautrain. Wena o mo pras.
who's the fucking knife like and I'm a conversation at top. Oh, hey, so stock exchange, how are they doing now? They're doing very well, man. I really can't believe like we're gonna have so much shares. Ngapa oh ngabo mashabela manje mfana ngitshela
Ay selfie. Nyaka selfie. Selfie moyeng.
but thank you very much. Mashabela is a show Beachwood Hotel.
Yeah, Beachwood Hotel 29 July.
Yes.
All right.
And I mean I'm
Guys, sorry.
yeah, I mean
It's the Birchwood, not Beachwood. Beachwood is BEACH.
yeah,
It's the Birchwood.
it's Spegler.
Yes, yeah.
Spegler, right?
Speglari.
Bayazi abantu bethu bazithola eBeachwood.
Ego bravo. O correct ke form 5. Jona le ma grade 12 baba. Salama o khala ka yona it's not the Beachwood ke Beachwood.
Birchwood.
Yeah, so Mashabela will be there. I mean, I'll be in East London and Port Elizabeth. I think East London will be sold out by this weekend.
All right.
And
But
28 July East London, 29 Port Elizabeth, but 27 Market Theatre doing the Wilshire Walk This Way with Skumba. With
The
my
day
friends.
after my birthday.
Yeah,
That's nice.
and just in case we are funeral in Polokwane tonight, kinale show.